Okay, boys and girls, now we are going to represent the equation 3 times 6 by making an array, showing it with repeated addition, by skip counting, and also by jumping on a number line. So we are going to start with our array. An array, boys and girls, is a way for us to represent an equation of multiplication using pictures with rows and columns. So our first number is 3, so that means we're going to have 3 groups of 6. 3 times 6. So let's make our groups. 1, 2, 3. Now that we have 3 groups, we need 3 groups of 6. So this would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This would be our first group, but we need 3 because it's 3 times 6. This is our array that represents 3 times 6. Now, we're going to show it with repeated addition. This means that we're going to write out the number 6 3 times. 6 plus 6 plus 6. Boys and girls, do you know why Miss Noble did not write out 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3? Why did I not write out 3 6 times? If you said it was because we were supposed to have 3 times 6, or 3 6s, you are correct. Now, we are going to try representing 3 times 6 by skip counting. All that means is we're going to count by the number 6. So 6, 12, 18. This would be written like so. This, boys and girls, is skip counting. You know that you count by 6 because that's your second number. Now, boys and girls, we are going to show what that looks like jumping on a number line. So, you would start at 0, and your little arrow would go all the way to 6 because we're counting by 6. That's right. Now that we're at 6, we count up by 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we know our next arrow goes to 12. Now we count up by 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That lands us at 18. Boys and girls, if you would like to check if you're doing this correctly or if you're even right, you could always go back, look at your skip counting. 6, 12, 18. Come here. We land at 6, 12, and 18. That's just a good way for you to double check your work.